I see him. I found him. See him? Okay, so let's see what we have to close. I think we only have to close this gate. No, we're good.
Okay,
So this is set up. No, we're gonna walk together. Even though
he might know me? Oh, okay.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
I mean, he doesn't know me, but I've been feeding him for a week now. So when he runs.
Okay, so look. So if this is him, and this is the bridge here, this is the end where he's enclosed, we're just gonna come here with the soccer nets, and we're actually gonna make them stationary. So we're gonna find an anchor point to the wall, and we're gonna build them up. And then Loretta and I are gonna move forward, and you're just gonna be the goalie, and you're not gonna let him pass. I'm gonna give you a hula hoop with a net, and if he comes to you and you have an opportunity, just throw the hula hoop with a net on him, and then we'll be there, we'll be there with you, okay? Okay. Okay, let's tie here because he's gonna see us. So it gives us time. So let's put the nets here in case we need to deploy quickly. It's heavier and heavier. Okay. Yeah, that's a good. I mean, my chances to catch a Chihuahua with this are almost non-existing, but okay. We're counting on you. Loretta, just stay a step behind me always so you're able to come back and help her. So no, come with me. You're gonna walk together. You go down, yeah. It's safer for walking anyway. Loretta, super fast to the corner. Super. Okay, he woke, he heard us. Okay. Oh, he's coming to us. Call him, talk to him. It's a girl. Oh my God, I got you. Oh no, Loretta, quickly, have him by the leg. Quickly. Woohoo! Oh yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Oh my God. No way. It's okay. Hey.
It's hurting. Hold on.
It's okay. Nothing is hurting.
Ouch. That was my leg.
Okay. Hey. It's okay. I can't believe I caught her by the leg.
Hi, sweetie. Thank you, babe. Hold on. It's okay. Hold on.
Unreal.
I know it's scary. I know.
Archie, just don't trust this.
I know.
Hi. You have fleas on you. I see
Yeah,
them.
she does.
You're gonna get a good bath. We won't have anything to be afraid of. She's so scared.
Thank God.
Oh, you're so kind. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I don't know.
Everybody wants, not everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, all right. So, let's do it.
I don't want her to like start.
I know.
Because we need to.
You have it tight. It's okay.
What will happen?
Oh, you know what? We need to like
Maybe
pick
I
her
can
up and
pick
move
her
her
up,
here.
yeah.
Oh, with a net?
Okay, little one. Okay, good girl. I'll pick you up now, okay? Okay, good girl. Okay. Good girl. That's a good girl.
Okay.
Good girl. You're okay. You also like this, just in case. Okay.
So even if she bites, she's still locked. Okay, we'll walk like this.
Want me to hold her?
No,
Like a queen.
I'll ask you to bring the other net.
She's so nice. She's so nice.
I can't wait to hear her cry.
I know.
Oops. Okay. I knew we would get her because every time there's a ball, I get the dog. You'll see. I'll show you. Even Fiona, the basketball next to her,
Yeah.
and I got her just a mile away from here.
Oh, please don't forget you're snappy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's cross now. Let's go. Okay, good girl. Okay, Mom. It's a good girl.
Okay.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, little one. Good girl. Very good girl. You're safe now. That's it. That's it. Good girl. Okay, good girl.
Bye, baby girl.
All right.
You're gonna be so good now.
Okay. All right.
You are
Good job.
amazing.
It was seriously one of the luckiest of my life.